Hello, my people. How you guys doing? It's me, your brother Edmond Ikeh, and we are live today. All right. Today's topic, as you can see in the screen, say how long can a Nigerian be detained under law? How long can a Nigerian be detained under law? How long can a Nigerian be detained under law? How long, my brothers and sisters? How long? We are back. So, this is a common occurrence among all Nigerians. All Nigerians, or at least majority of Nigerians, have at one time or the other been detained by the police. Or if you haven't been detained by the Nigerian police or the army or any law enforcement agency at one time or the other, at least you know someone or a few people, a group of people who has been detained enforcement agency or the other. So that brings us the question, how long can a Nigerian be detained under law? It's an important question because this happened to so much overwhelming majority of our people that they have suffered some kind of harassment in the hand of police officers. That's a violation of our rights, the violation of human rights. And it's important that you know your right. It's important that you understand your right so that you will not fall victim of law enforcement officers in Nigeria. So I would like people, last time we did not have a lot of people participate in the comment section. So today, this is my second episode. I would like to see more participation, questions, the comment section, very important, so that we'll have interactive session. As I said, we need interactive session at every Tuesday that we'll meet. Tuesday, 9 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Nigerian time. So please, as to get started with the program, try to share this video and like the video. The more you like it, the more YouTube promote the video so that more people can view it. And we need more people, more Nigerians to view these videos, this weekly, every Tuesday program, so that they can understand their rights, so that they can exercise their rights, so that they can be truly free in our beloved country, Nigeria. So please, if you haven't shared the video, go right now, my brothers and sisters, go right now and share this video. Go right now and share this video. Like the video and share. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, the GCSDN channel, or because this is streaming at 2 channels at the same time or multiple channels. So if you haven't subscribed to any of those channels, subscribe, so that you get notification when this program comes on every Tuesday, 9 p.m. Nigerian time. It's important for you to know your right and invite more of our brothers and sisters to subscribe so that they too can know their right. Are you going to be free and let your brothers and sisters not to be free? It's not good. It's not jail like that. So subscribe to the channel, share the video so that more Nigerians can be truly free, can truly understand their right, and truly be liberated. This 30 minutes program should be very interactive. So please comment in the comment section so that we can have fun throughout the program. I'll be looking at the comment section to see your comment, to see your interaction throughout the program. It's very important that you participate. So I just want to create avenues for you all to reach us when you need to reach us, so that you know we are here for you and you are here for us. So if you want to reach us, you can always reach us via email or Twitter, and that is the information where you can reach us at gcsdn1914 at gmail.com, and our website. Check out our website. You can see what we're all about, so that as we bring you all this weekly program to know your right, you can also know more about the organization that is powering this weekly program. It's called a Global Coalition for Security and Democracy in Nigeria. Website is gcsdn.org. Visit us there. Follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to the YouTube channel that you view this video from. So it's very important. All right. Back to the question. Back to the question. How long can a Nigerian be detained under law? Do you know the answer? Have someone told you the answer? Have your lawyer told you the answer before? Or someone that studied law around you told you the answer before? All right. If no one have told you before, I am here. I'm here at your service to tell you the answer. The, the answer is 48 hours. 48 hours. No Nigerian should be detained in the custody of any law enforcement officer for more than 48 hours. Let me read it out so that you don't think I am the one making this up. I am not making it up. This is guaranteed under the laws of the land, under the laws of Nigeria, under the Constitution of Nigeria, the 1999 Constitution as amended, and also under our Criminal Code of Conduct. All right. It says, if any law enforcement officer, any citizen or resident of Nigeria cannot be detained for more than 48 hours. If any law enforcement officer wishes to detain you for more than 48 hours, he or she must go before a magistrate court and request for detention order in order to keep you in detention. So please, if you're listening to this message right now, if you're listening to this program, this is our weekly Nigerian Constitution, Know Your Right, Know Your Right. If you're listening to me right now, have you ever been detained and did your the detention and you were have you ever been detained and you've been detained for more than 48 hours? Did the law enforcement officer show you the detention order they acquired or they obtained from the magistrate court? So if not, then you know your right was violated by that law enforcement officer. So know that your right was violated. And if you find yourself in that situation again, do not let your right be violated again. And if they violate your right again, take it up with the law, take it up, and make sure you follow it to the highest level. You know, it seems Nigeria does not work that any law enforcement officer can do anyhow they like. They can detain you indefinitely, and that is not so. And we need to demand for our rights. The first episode I made mention that freedom is not given, freedom is taken. Maybe you will hear me say this every episode that freedom is not given, freedom must be taken. So you must take back your freedom. You must exercise your right at all times. Know that no Nigerian or no resident of Nigeria can be detained by any law enforcement officer for more than 48 hours. For more than 48 hours, that's 2 days. They cannot detain for more than 2 days. If they want to, if any law enforcement officer, if any police officer wants to detain you for more than 2 days, wants to detain you for more than 48 hours, what has to happen? That law enforcement officer have to go to where the magistrate court. They have to go to the magistrate court and obtain a detention order. So if they don't obtain a detention order, when they decide, if a law enforcement officer decided, okay, oh, madam or sir, hey, Oga, hey, this person, we are going to keep you in this under our custody for 10 days or for 5 days. You ask them, please, sir, please, madam, where is your detention order from the magistrate court? And if they cannot provide that, if they cannot show you that, that means you have to get up and say, excuse me, sir, under the law of this land, under the law of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, under the Criminal Code of Nigeria, you cannot detain me for more than 48 hours. So, sir, I would like to just head home to my family now. I'd like to head home and enjoy my freedom as a free Nigerian that have not violated any of the constitutional laws of this land. And you walk away. And if they decide to go against the law and detain you for more than 48 hours, call your lawyer. Have your family get lawyer ready and fight this case to the highest order. You know, Nigerians, we don't fight cases. We just say, now so it be for this country. Now so it be for this country. And the same thing keep repeating and repeating. It perpetuates and becomes the norm. It is not the norm. It becomes it's the law of the land. It is not the law of the land. It is not the law of the land for a law enforcement officer to detain you for more than 48 hours. It is not the law of the land. So know ye that today, if you don't know that for a law enforcement officer to detain you for more than 48 hours, it is wrong, it is unconstitutional, and should not happen in the first place. And when it does happen, take it up, fight it. Don't say, may they do what they want to. They can do what they want to. Oh, I will not fight it. I will not do anything about it. So I will just let it go like that. No, fight it. The more Nigerians rise up and start fighting for their rights, the more all these excesses of law enforcement officer will end. It will end. Trust me, it will end. So know your rights. That's the essence of this program, and exercise them at all time. And that will be at a great advantage to you as a Nigerian. So as we continue the program, I want to draw your attention to what we have at GCN. Take a quick break to bring your attention to what we have at GCSDN going on, our water project. If you want to support, you can support at that account on the screen. And let me play a quick video about this project so that you can listen to it. Just a quick video so that you know what the project is about, so that you can know what you're supporting. You know, it's an important project that you should support. You should put your money to support this, to bring joy in the life of Nigerians living in pain and in suffering in their locality in Kwara State. So this is happening in Kwara State. They don't have access to good water. So for that reason, we at GCSDN want to help provide them good water source.
This is a community called Lara community in Moro local government area of Kwara State, Nigeria. This is their source of water supply. They drink from the pond like drinking from the gutter. They drink from the same pond with goats, with cattle, and with dogs. They take the water home to take their bath, to cook, and to drink. Sometimes they put alum before they could drink. Is this permissible in the 21st century? These people need our help. Please, the Global Coalition for Security and Democracy in Nigeria is calling on you to join us to drill a water borehole for these people. Let us do this. It is possible. This must not be allowed to continue. No. No. No.
Welcome back. Welcome back. I hope you watched that video, and I hope it touched your heart to support what we're doing. And once again, if you want to support, you can support from this, sending your support to the account that have been provided. That is one of the coordinators of GCSDN in Lagos State, handling this project. So support and greatly appreciate it, and God will bless you tremendously. Back to the topic of the day. How long can any Nigerian be detained under law? That question has been answered, say 48 hours, but it's not been answered completely. So there's another dimension to this, that you are not supposed to be detained. There's someone that's responsible to ensure that Nigerians are not detained for more than 48 hours. And that person is the magistrate, the court magistrate. The court magistrate is supposed to ensure that this law is enforced. So apart from fighting in the legal battle to make sure your law is respected, make sure the law is respected and your right is also respected. You fight it with your lawyer, and you also report it to the magistrate court. Report it to the magistrate in your locality in that the incident occurred. Because according to the law of the land, according to our constitution, the 1999 constitution as amended, section 34. Let me read it. As it said, section 34. It said, section 34 of the criminal code says that every detention center in the country shall be visited by the chief magistrate in order to check if any Nigerian is detained for more than 48 hours. The section of the law empowers the chief magistrate to release any detained person who has spent more than 48 hours in detention center instantly, or request for the detained person to be taken before a court within the jurisdiction. Thank you. Do you hear that? This is the law of Nigeria. This is the law of the land, section 34. So it has our chief magistrate be doing their job? I guess not. I guess not. I guess our chief magistrate have not been doing their job. That is why we have overwhelming number of Nigerians being detained over 48 hours without any detention order from the magistrate court. So that means, apart from getting you a lawyer to fight all this kind of breach in our human right, will also take the matter to the magistrate court and take the matter to the chief magistrate himself. And we ask our chief, we can even start now. We don't have to wait till we are become victim of this law before we talk to our chief magistrate. So it is high time we start asking our chief magistrate, only chief magistrate in your locality, just start asking them, sir, madam, why haven't you been visiting the police station? Why haven't you been visiting the prisons to make sure that people who have been detained against their rights, against the law of the land, people who have been unconstitutionally detained more than 48 hours, why haven't you, oh chief magistrate, why haven't you gone to these places? Why haven't you gone to release all these law-abiding Nigerians who have been detained against the law of the land? Why haven't you gone there? So we need to start asking our chief magistrate questions because they are not doing their jobs. It is high time our chief magistrate does their job. It is high time we hold them accountable. That's the problem of Nigerians. Nigerians do not hold people who are supposed to hold responsible. It's like every problem in Nigeria, we say federal government. Every problem in Nigeria, we say federal government. Every problem in Nigeria, federal government. But federal government is not the one responsible to all the problems in Nigeria. There is a division of labor. I mean, everybody know the concept of division of labor. We share task. This person does this. The other person does this. Person D does this. Person E does this. Person A does this. Everybody have their role. And now you've known the role of a chief magistrate. They have many chief magistrates in Nigeria. So this chief magistrate have certain jurisdiction. Okay, know the chief magistrate in charge of your jurisdiction and see, is this chief magistrate doing their job? Are they ensuring that people arrested within your jurisdiction that have been arrested for more than 48 hours? Have they ensured that such person have been released? Have they ensured that the law enforcement officers have done the needful to obtain a detention order from the magistrate court? If all this have not been done, then the chief magistrate have not done their job. So we have to start taking this serious as Nigerians. Don't wait till it happened to you. Don't wait till it happened to your brother. Don't wait till it happened to your sister. Don't wait till it happened to your mother or your father or to the people you know. We need to look at the statistics, look at the stories that we've had, that X, Y, and Z, Mama Ada, Mama Titi, have been detained by the police court for more than 48 hours. So we don't even know what did she do. And what did she do is not even that serious. So, but the police officer have detained her for more than 48 hours. So without any detention order, we should go to the chief magistrate of that jurisdiction and report the case to the chief magistrate, because that is within the jurisdiction of that chief magistrate to march down to that detention facility and demand that Mama Titi and Mama Ada or Papa Ada or Papa Nkechi be released from that detention facility, because that is unconstitutional and that is against the law of the land. Before we continue, I have a few more things to cover about Nigerian Constitution. Know Your Right. Once again, this is a weekly program powered by Global Coalition for Security and Democracy in Nigeria, GCSDN. GCSDN is a fast-moving coalition, having been around for a few years and have chapters in over 40 countries and about 26 states in Nigeria. So please, if you want to know more about GCSDN, you can always shoot them an email at gcsdn@gmail.com or visit the website at gcsdn.org or message them on Twitter, and your request will be addressed. We will take a few minutes break before we return to the program to show one important video that is calling the attention of Nigerians, well-meaning Nigerians, to come to the aid of a community. Hopefully, it draws the attention of a governor of that state. Hopefully, it draws the attention of the governor of that state to do the needful in alleviating the suffering and pain of our beloved brothers and sisters in Nigeria.
See the bridge. We collapse here. Bike they follow here pass. The motor they follow this other side pass. Then see the hill. See the hill up. This one to the hill up, no get problem at all. Nothing can just come down.
Welcome back, welcome back. That very video you watch is very dear to my heart because that video is actually in my community. It's in Obofia ward of Uyehi village in Agulejku town of Agwata local government, Anambra state. So hopefully, if you're watching this, you should share this video till it gets to the governor or the incoming governor, which is Charles Soludo, who will be sworn in 17th March 2022, which is just 2 days from today. Professor Charles Chukuma Soludo will be sworn into office. So share this video until it gets to him so that he can do something about this community. It's my community, it's my village, Obofia ward of Uyehi village in Agulejku town, Agwata local government of Anambra state. And guess what? The incoming governor of Anambra state, Professor Charles Soludo, is actually from the same local government. That's Agwata local government. So hopefully he sees this and he does the needful. It will shock you that my community have actually submitted a proposal to the current governor, Governor Willie Obiano, twice. A proposal about this fallen bridge or culvert have been submitted twice to the Willie Obiano administration, and he have rejected, and the administration have rejected the proposal twice. They have abandoned our people for so long. They say there's this popular slogan. They say Willie Obiano is working, but willingly working. Unfortunately, he has not willingly worked for my community of Obofia ward of Uyehi village of Agulejku, Agwata local government, Anambra state. He has not willingly worked for us. So I pray that Professor Charles Chukuma Soludo will willingly work for us because he's actually from our local government. So hopefully he does the needful. So back to the program. The program we are doing is a weekly program every Tuesday. Tune in 9 p.m. Nigerian time to 9:30 p.m. is Nigerian Constitution, Know Your Right. Nigerian Constitution, Know Your Right. Nigerian Constitution, Know Your Right. So we welcome you to tune in every Tuesday, 9 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. It's a short program, 30 minutes for you to understand your rights, so that to enable you to properly exercise the right. It's not too much to ask. So please tune in and always share our video, like the channel, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Invite more people to join you in the quest of knowing your right and understanding the Nigerian Constitution and better to help you exercise your human right. Okay. And today, topic is how long can any Nigerian be detained under law? And we have answered that question. Is step by step, we'll answer that is 48 hours. You cannot be detained more than 48 hours as a Nigerian or as a resident of Nigeria for more than 48 hours. I will say that also that a chief magistrate supposed to go to detention centers, jails, prisons to ensure that these rights of Nigerians or residents of Nigeria have not been violated. And if it has been violated, the chief magistrate has been empowered by the constitution of the land to release those people that have been detained for more than 48 hours. Say, hey, go home. You are not supposed to be here. Your rights have been violated. We are sorry we have violated your right. Now you can go back home to your family and live your life freely as a Nigerian, freely as a resident of Nigeria. And that is what's supposed to happen. But unfortunately, it's not happening. And a sister or a brother to this same problem is sometimes when you are detained, the police officer, they torture you, they beat you anyhow, they mesmerize you, they mercilessly hit you, beat you, kick you, insult you, and treat you inhumanely. That is also illegal. Listen as I read the law of the land to you, so that you know be saying I mean the Tokamo. Now the law of our land, Tokam, Nigerian Constitution 1999 as amended. I said torture is illegal. So there's it's illegal in Nigeria since 2017. If you are tortured by any law enforcement officer and it can be proven, the officer will be jailed for up to 25 years. Up to 25 years. Can you hear? Officer can be jailed for up to 25 years. But are they applying the law? No, because we have let them go scot-free. We have allowed them to do anyhow. We have allowed them to just operate with impunity in Nigeria because we don't exercise our rights. We need to start exercising our rights. That is the purpose of this program every Tuesday. Nigerian Constitution, know your right. Nigerian Constitution, know your right. I will bring topics by topic by topic, covering different segments of the Constitution. So please, my brothers and sisters, know your rights so that you can exercise it fully and freely and boldly because you understand your right, because you know your right. And guess what? If someone is tortured while in custody of a law enforcement officer and they die, there's another penalty to that. It says, if anyone gets tortured and die in custody, the officer will be charged with murder. You know, police officers, they keep people anyhow. Did they charge them with murder? No. Did they get arrested? No. You see that police officer that killed Ikeh yesterday, walking free, or that killed Mustafa yesterday, walking free, or that killed Dele yesterday, walking free, because the law is not respected and it's not followed, and people do not exercise their rights. So, and the family of the deceased will be duly compensated by the state. How many families whose children have been killed by police officers or army officers have been fully compensated? You know, thankfully, some people who were killed who got affected during NSAS protests received some compensation by Lagos State government. But Lagos State government is not the only state in Nigeria. And Lagos State is not the only place where people were killed during NSAS protests. But how many states have we heard compensate families that were affected? Not very much. Not very much. So these are the kind of maladies. This is the kind of eyesores that we need to tackle as Nigerians, that we need to speak up to as Nigerians, and not allow this to just happen and happen. That we'll close our eyes, that we'll talk for 1 minute, and then we'll keep quiet. We'll have to keep talking. We'll have to keep fighting it until the wrongs are made right. Until the wrongs are made right. So Nigerians, my brothers and sisters, know your right, exercise your right. Do not allow yourself to be caged in your own country. Do not allow your right to be violated in your own country, and you do nothing and you keep quiet. It should be unacceptable when an injustice is done against one person, they have done against all Nigerians. And we should rise up and speak up for all our Nigerian brothers and sisters and make sure that we are truly free as Nigerians, that our rights are not violated, that our rights don't get consistently violated by the people who were elected or by the people who pay, because we pay law enforcement officers. It's our tax money. We pay taxes. If you don't pay taxes via your salary, you pay taxes via your business places. So, as a taxpayer, it is your money that is used to fund police station, fund all law enforcement facility, military, Nigerian military. It's your money. It's our money that is used to pay the politicians, the chairman, the senators, the governors, the House of Reps member, the president, and all the ministers, ministries, and parastatals. It's our money that is used to pay these people. So how can we be using our money to pay all these people, and then they just act anyhow and violate our rights anyhow, and we keep quiet? So my brothers and sisters, wake up, wake up, wake up. Let's take back our country. Wake up, wake up. Let's take back our country. We cannot afford to continue to be quiet and let our rights be violated. Arise, my fellow Nigerians, and let's take back our country. So this is where I leave you today. Please join me again next Tuesday, 9 p.m. Nigerian time till 9:30 p.m. Nigerian time, so that I can bring you this wonderful program every Tuesday. Nigerian Constitution, Know Your Rights. I'll bring another sizzling, exciting, tantalizing topic, and I hope you participate. Oh, sorry. Before I end this program, actually, I'm supposed to read the comments and see what the people are saying. All right, I have a comment here. Say, hi, Comrade Ikeh, you are highly appreciated. Thank you, Mrs. Comfort Olatunji, I appreciate that. And Isat Holari wrote something, I cannot read that. I don't know what language is that. Another person wrote something, I can't read that either. It looked like Russian. So I guess that's that. No questions. So I will go back, and this is where I leave you. Join me again next Tuesday to talk about Nigerian Constitution, Know Your Rights, and we'll bring another sizzling topic next Tuesday. And I hope you will join me, and I greatly appreciate that. Thank you once again. I remain your brother, Edmond Ikeh. Thank you.